Welcome to 3 simple life hacks to save money every month. Today, we're diving into practical tips that can transform your financial habits. First up, the power of meal planning. By organizing your meals weekly, you avoid impulse buys and reduce food waste, saving both time and money. Next, let's tackle subscriptions. Review your monthly subscriptions and cancel those you rarely use. This small step can save you significant cash over time. Lastly, automate your savings. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account each month. Even small amounts add up and help build your financial cushion. These hacks are simple, yet effective ways to manage your budget better. Start implementing them today and see the difference in your monthly savings. Remember, small changes lead to big results. Keep watching for more tips on financial wellness. Like and subscribe for more content like this.